welcome to another YouTube video. Today we are reacting to How Magic Tricks. And here it is. It's not really a magic trick, it's just showing you how to, an easy way to cut a watermelon.
I like this a lot. Instead of cubes, I'm just gonna dump them out like this. Boom, look at that, this is so cool.
And
Wow.
I really feel like I want to eat watermelon.
This is awesome, I love this gadget. You can do this pretty cool squares or cubes, I love it. For this gadget, we got lemon juicer. For a lot of recipes, I'll make a lemonade, need fresh lemonade, and
Stop.
to squeeze out the lemon with your hand just like this. A lot of it comes out, but most of it's still inside of it. You see, there's still a lot of lemon juice get wasted. Look how little left. But with this gadget, what you want to do is the top and the bottom just like this, and then put it in, and then it's like compress it together. Look how much juice coming out. Boom, all the way down. Wow. Look at this lemon. Completely gone. Compare this to this. This lemon gadget is amazing because I don't have to squeeze it with my hand and get juice all over my hands. All I have to do is just cut in half and cut the bottom.
That's boring. What do you mean boring?
And just squeeze it. And it's mess free, and also you get the most juice out of it. It's amazing. Look how much juice out there. Awesome. Thumbs up for me. For this gadget, I got chips sealers. Check this out. They have different sizes for large, medium, and small chips bags. So let's say you opened it up, eat a bunch of chips, and you don't want any more. What happens sometimes if you leave it open, they go stale. So let's see how this gadget works. What you want to do is just fold it in half together, and you see that it's a straw with the inside of it, and you just pull it through. Boom. And it's sealed. Look at this. You see, it's so sealed, even the air doesn't come out. Awesome. And also it works awesome for the small bags as well. Just fold it in half, like this, and push it through, push it all the way. Maybe this one is a little bit too small. So you got medium size sealer, push it through.
That is
and boom,
amazing.
your chips are sealed, they cannot come off. Love this little chip sealer. Thumbs up for me.
That's
When you're
amazing.
cooking something in the pot and you have to stir it, most of the time the spoon is going to be really dirty, and when you set it on a table, all the stuff that's stuck to the spoon will stick to the table. So it's like nowhere to put your spoon without dirtying up the table. So this gadget is a spoon holder. It's awesome. All you do is clip it in, and boom. Your spoon is not dirtying anything up. It's just hanging over the pot.
I like
Pretty
it.
awesome.
That's cool.
For this gadget, I got cover blocker. It's supposed to cover if you cut a watermelon in half, you don't want to expose it, leave it open in the refrigerator. It will just kind of go soggy on this side. So let's put it to the test, see if it actually works. It feels like slime. I love it. Really, really stretchy it looks like. Okay, let's test it out. Wow, look at that. It's stretched out so much. This is awesome. Cover blocker, look at this. Thumbs up for me for sure. I can even set it like this in the refrigerator, and I don't have to worry about it. It's all leaking into my refrigerator. Instead, this one to be different stuff as well. I got the perits or pepper in English. What I'm gonna do is cut it in half. Let's say I'm gonna use half of
that's
it,
spicy.
and I only need a half, so I don't want to just sit it like that in the refrigerator. It might go bad. So we're gonna get one of these bubble covers. Now it's not sticky, and all I'm gonna do is just put it over like that. Wow, look at this. This is awesome. I love it. It's all packaged. And guess what? All I have to do is just wash this blubber and I can reuse it again and again. I love it. For this gadget we got curved scissors. Let's unpackage it. Looks like it's scissors with like 4 blades. This is cool. And it even comes with a holster. Pretty awesome. And I guess you can just clean it out like this when you wash it. So that's what it looks like it's for, if you need to get the pieces out of it. So now let's put it to the test. I have green onions over here. Oh. Maybe it's not the best for that part. Let's start to do this side. Yeah, that side works really well. And look, it's perfect slices. Let's do double.
Looks like a monster eating lettuce.
It actually works pretty well. So if I need to chop up green onions in the small pieces, it works really well. Look at it. This is so satisfying to do this. Awesome, loving it. And it looks like you use this to get it out from your scissors. Wow, that's so smart. They figured this out. Also, if you need to shred a bunch of different herbs, that will be easier. Way better than when doing it with a knife. Unless you have super awesome chef skills, use a knife. I'm gonna be using that because it's a lot easier. For this gadget, we got a bowl over here with food. We want to put it away, but you don't want to leave it open and put it in the refrigerator. It will go bad pretty fast. So I got here expand a lid. So we're just going to get the biggest one, I think, for this one. And let's see if it will work. Oh man, looks like they meant for something smaller than that. So maybe something like that. Let's see if it will fit on that kind of bowl. And looks like it's airtight. I like it. It fits for sure. I wish they were making a little bit bigger ones so that would fit in a bowl like this, but it's too small. Oh well. So let's start with a smaller bowl. I'm just gonna put it in and stick it all the way. Look, it fits all the way. They are different sizes, so looks like some of them would work even with the jars. Let's say I'm only gonna use half of those beans and I need to cover it. All I'm gonna do is grab this cover and or a lid, expandable lid, and just put it over like this. Boom. Now we're gonna test it. Let's see. Nothing coming out. And again, to open it, boom. Wash it and ready to be reused. Thumbs up for me. Love this expandable lids for sure. For this gadget, I got here Ziploc holder. So what you need to do is grab a Ziploc bag and slide it to here and slide it to here. And now you can pour something in a Ziploc bag and that way it will hold it for you while you pour in something. I have a lot of watermelon. This Ziploc is a little bit too small for this. So I'm gonna extend this, get a bigger Ziploc bag and stick it into the Ziploc holder. Simple, right? And this makes it simple to throw watermelon in the Ziploc bag. A little miss, but it's alright. With practice, I won't miss any of them. Now I can unpackage it, get all the air out, and boom. My watermelon is ready to go into the refrigerator. Ziploc holder, I like this. For this gadget, I got here bakery sealer or chip sealer. So you lock this while it's not in use and open this and then you close it and it should heat up. Okay, let's test this out. Okay, and let's see. Oh wow, it sealed it up almost completely. Pretty awesome. It works okay with chips. It's meant for the plastic bags like this. We're gonna hold it like this and just slide it through. Boom. And now I gotta finish resealing it on this side as well. Boom. Now let's try to open it. Look at it. It's completely resealed. You see, I'll have to break it to open it again. For this gadget, I got these gloves. What they are is actually non-cut gloves. You see, if I try to cut myself, it does not cut me at all. And you see, this knife is really sharp, as you can see. So, as you can see, I'm cutting this lemon, no problem. But when I'm trying to cut my hand, it does not cut me. Pretty crazy, huh? So, if I'm using super sharp and expensive knives that can slice through the fingers easily, this will be very useful. And now I'm gonna take it out and see what happens. Boom, and it goes out.
And that's the end of the video. I'm sorry that it had to be that long, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye! And remember to subscribe!